Hi, my name is Khan. In this part 7, I will be talking about select statement and while operators. So, let us start the video. Select statement. It is used to get the data from the database. So, here is an example. Select all from the table name. I'll show you how to select. Select all from, suppose the table name is agents. Then I'll run this query. It will select all the data from the agent tables. Suppose if I want to automatically select all the tables from this agent table, so I'll go to employee database. Under tables, I'll right click and I'll search for send to SQL editor. Yeah, there is send to SQL editor, and I'll select all. And if I run this query, it will automatically select all this table. Here star is nothing but all the column names. I can select by entering the manual column names, or I can select all the column by selecting star. If I want to select a particular column in this table, then I'll write that column name. Suppose name and commission and the country from the agent table. Then I'll type these commands. And if I run this query, you can see that only 3 column has been selected, which has been mentioned in the query. Suppose I want to select only distinct names in the distinct country names. Okay, so then I'll select distinct country from agent table. So it will select the distinct value present in this country column. So there are 3 distinct value: India, USA, UK are the 3 distinct value present in the country column. Okay, the next I will be talking about here is the wildcard operators. So let's start about the wildcard operators. What I will do here is I will select all the columns in this agent table, and I will run this query. Before that, I will select where country is equal to India. So I'll select only country is equal to India. Then it will display those records which has country India. Okay, but I want to select not India. Then I will use this not operator. You can see here the country is USA and UK, but not India. Suppose I want to know the commission column values which are greater than 150. Then I'll write where commission is greater than 150. Then if I run this query, it will result this. It will give me records whose values are more than 150. You can see the commission values are 200 and 200. If I want to know greater than or equal to 150, then I'll use this greater than or equal to operator. I got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 records. If I want to know the lesser than 150, then I'll use this lesser than command. If I run this query, you can see all the records which are displaying are lesser than 150 commission. So Mukesh has 110. If I want to know lesser than or equal to 150, then I'll write this query and I'll run this. You can see some of them are equal to 150 and some of them are lesser than 150. So the next I'll be talking about how to query. Now what I will do, I will remove this and I will select country is equal to India, and country is equal to India is equal to India, um, or country is equal to USA, or country is equal to USA. So it will return those records where the country values is India or USA. So I'll run this query. You can see the country consists of only India and USA. No UK column has been present. I can do also like location. I can select the location for Bangalore. Suppose I'll remove this country is equal to India, and I'll select this location column. So I'll and location is equal to Bangalore. I'll use Bangalore. Bangalore. If I run this query, it will only display the Bangalore location and the country India. But if I want multiple location, suppose Chennai in India, then I have to use this in operator. So I'll replace this equal to with in operator, and I'll give a list of values which I want to extract the data from it. So I'll give here Chennai. So if I run this query, you can see Chennai record has been displaying because it is going to display both Bangalore and Chennai record from India. Okay, so let me select all the records from agent again. So if I run this query, suppose I want to know the commission between some range, then I'll use this between command or between wildcard. So I'll select all from the table where commission is between 100 and 150. So if I run this query, one second, I guess it should be in here. No, I think I'm getting some error here. Where, yeah, I'm seeing where clause over here. So where commission between 100 to 150. If I run this, you can see the commission column consists of only ranges between 100 to 150. Not between. If I run, then it will display the records which are not in between 100 to 150. So 200 is not between 100 to 150. If I want to know the country name which are starting with some name, if I want to know the name, agent name which are starting with capital, which are starting with letter A, then I can run this like operator query. Using like operator query, I'll select all from the table where name is like starting from A. So I'll use this percentage, which is character, number of character replacement of number of character, and A is denoting that it should start from A. Then I have two records, Anderson and Afford. So not like A gives me the people whose names are not starting from A, Subhash, Mukesh and all. If I want to know the country the country which consists of two characters, then I'll use this single replacement character underscore. If I run this, if I want to know 3-digit country name, then it's nothing but USA, and we all know that. If I want to know 5 digits, I can write underscore 5 times. So if I run this, I'll get India. Not like 5 digits, it will give the records which are not consist of 5 digits. If I write here not like, if I run this query, I will get USA and UK because these are not 5-digit characters. I hope you understand what I am trying to say here. Here are the couple of wildcard operators which I have used in this video. I hope you enjoyed my video. In case of any doubts in future, you can contact me or comment in this video below. Thank you.